Barbecue fam, today we got a Wagyu Ribeye from Walmart. What? Let's give it a shot. 20 bucks? Let's go. So we got an affordable Wagyu Ribeye. 21 bucks basically. We're gonna fire up the kettle grill, get that hot, and we're putting a cast iron pan in, and we're just gonna sear each side, pull it, let it rest, and then cut into this guy. Just salt. Using a local salt from Syracuse, New York, flake salt. Oh hell yeah. We'll be utilizing a cast iron pan, and that's it. Because this guy here has so much fat in it. Look at that. Oh yeah. That looks pretty damn good for Walmart. So we'll get down with that. Fire up this kettle grill utilizing the old charcoal that's in there. Get that fired up. Nice and hot. Oh hell yeah. Check the intermuscular fat on that guy. It's not Japanese A5, but hey, I've never had a Wagyu ribeye. Let's give this a try. Let's open this guy up. We'll pat it dry, hit it with a little flake salt. So this guy we're just gonna salt up lightly. This nice local flake salt. Look at that. Oh boy. Spilt a little extra. Don't worry. That's for your edges. Clean up the board. There we go. I think that is going to be A-okay. Let that sweat in, get that cast iron hot, and then we're going to sear the heck out of this guy for about 90 seconds a side. Throw in a little butter if you want, but there's so much fat in this guy, I don't think we're going to need any butter. Just a little spray of canola oil or avocado oil, that's all you're going to need. Almost 600 degrees on that cast iron. Let's sear the hell out of this guy. 90 seconds aside. It's not very thick. It's not even a pound. Now that's a good smell. 90 seconds. Flip it. We want golden brown, 120 degree internal. That's where we're looking, and we'll slice into this after about 5-10 minutes of resting. We're close to flip this guy, and I can't wait. I've never had a Wagyu ribeye. Oh, ribeye is like the best cut of beef. Hands down, best cut of beef with the exception of beef back ribs. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to say we're nailing this one. A little smoke in here, but we'll open the door, got the exhaust fan on, let it go. Oh, there we go. There we go. We gotta pull this guy. This Wagyu ribeye. It's not huge, but it looks and smells amazing. So we're gonna slice into this in a couple minutes. We're letting it rest. It looks so juicy and tender, super tender. A little more done on the thin side here, but over here, woo-wee, just, ooh, man, that looks great. Walmart Wagyu ribeye. Let's slice into this guy and see what we've got going on. We're gonna go right down the middle. There's a lot of fat there. Look at the juice just dripping. Wow. Nice thin slices. Never had one, but I heard these are really rich, and you actually won't eat a lot of it because it just sits heavy. We'll find out about that. And that is just looking great. The crust feels awesome, and yeah, this stuff's like butter. Is a Walmart Wagyu ribeye worth it? 21 bucks. Well, regular Wagyu or regular ribeye is damn near the same price. That, I can't wait any longer. Bottoms up. Cheers. I've never had full-blown Wagyu ribeye like the Japanese A5 or nothing, but this is damn good. So it's very silky, rich. It's not nearly as like a ribeye is kind of tough, but not really. Like it's got more chew to it. This is like they say, damn near butter. And yeah, I can go in for more because that is amazing. I mean, wow. It falls apart. It's so tender. That's an amazing ribeye. Not as beefy as a regular ribeye that you would get from the grocery store. A nice thick cut ribeye. But this is just a different, it's like delicate, like silky, smooth beef. Smooth on the beef flavor. And that salt was good, but I think you should throw a little black pepper on there. But doing all the reviews that I did, everyone says just salt in its own fat. That's it. And I wanted to try it straight up to give it an unbiased opinion, and that's pretty damn good. But man, I don't think you can eat a lot of that. I think 2 slices right there. I'm one more. One more. But damn. Cops are coming. They want a piece of that Wagyu ribeye. Comes the police. Oh hell, oh, dripping everywhere. Oh man, that's freaking, it is super good. Not gonna lie. Oh my. I'll take that over a tomahawk for sure, but a standard 2-inch cut ribeye, that is still one of my favorites. But this is pretty damn good, and it didn't kill the bank. It's not a Japanese A5 Wagyu, so it's fine. 20 bucks. I want those $200 Wagyus. That's insane. But this works for me. This works for the working man with kids. 20 bucks, treat yourself every now and again. Oh hell yeah. Cheers, folks.